So for DPA today, what we're going to do is get active in the class. But the first thing I need you to do is turn to your partner and talk about what it looks like to participate actively and safely. So 1-minute interview right now with your partner. What does it look like to be active and safe in the classroom? Turn to your partner now. Have students conference with a partner, each speaking uninterrupted for up to 1 minute to share their knowledge of success criteria for active and safe participation. Following partner discussions, consider having pairs share their responses with the class. Consider recording correct responses on poster paper for future reference. Throughout the lesson, continue to draw students' attention to the identified criteria for success. To warm up and to increase our heart rates, we're going to play Jump Stop, In Control, and Get Ready. Students will gradually increase their heart rate by participating in the following activity. Students begin walking around, increasing their level to a march, to a shuffle, jogging on the spot, and finally running on the spot. While students move, the teacher calls Jump Stop. Inform students that a jump stop is when you jump and land in control with both feet on the ground. This allows use of either foot as a pivot foot and establishes the triple threat position. Each time students hear jump stop, they stop and perform an action that can take place after a jump stop. Students can perform a skill of their choice, or the teacher can call jump stop and reverse pivot, or jump stop and fake shot. After 2 jump stops, change the method of locomotion, increasing the tempo. Prior to the activity, inspect the activity area for safe traction and eliminate potential hazardous conditions. Remind students to be cautious when moving and to be aware of personal space of others. If using the classroom, consider moving furniture to the perimeter of the room and outline the activity area using masking tape, keeping a safe distance between the furniture and the boundary line. Working in your groups will now get active with Speed and Control Mission. Remember, you can do it in any order, but must complete it together in your groups. Throughout the activity, be sure to refer students to success criteria for safe and active participation. Divide students into groups of 4 to 6 and give each group the Speed and Control mission sheet. Groups must stay together and perform each mission task as a group as quickly as possible. Each group member must perform each mission task to the best of their ability. Inform the groups that they may work on the mission tasks in any order they choose. Check that each activity is spread out to minimize interference from other activities. For a demonstration of the mission activities, see the video on the curriculum page of the MLSE ShapeUp website. To cool down, we'll now play Close Coverage. Students will gradually decrease their heart rate to a resting rate by participating in the following activity. Then students will stretch the body parts that have been active throughout the lesson. Students find a partner from their mission team. Partner A mimics a variety of actions from a basketball game. Partner B pretends to cover Partner A using a defensive stance and footwork. After 20 seconds, the teacher calls Defender's Ball, and the partners switch roles. Partners move quickly at first and gradually slow to a jog, to a shuffle, and finally a walk. The speed changes after each partner plays both roles at each speed. After students complete the action while walking, the teacher calls out "Great game," and partners high-five each other and alternate leading each other in a series of stretches, holding the stretches for 15 seconds.